Welcome to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fast video, I'm going to show you how to make some really amazing chocolate ice cream only using 3 ingredients. We're going to need 2 cups of whipping cream. This is equal to 500 milliliters. I'm using a 10-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. This is equal to 300 milliliters as well. And our last ingredient, 8 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and that's equal to 44 grams. And this is unsweetened cocoa powder. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. Into a large bowl, I'm going to pour in all of my cream. And my cream is cold. So this is 2 cups or 500 milliliters. And then to that, all of our sweetened condensed milk. You don't want this warm, so do not heat it up, and don't make it cold either, because it'll be very, very hard to stir into your cream. So that's good. Look at that. Isn't that nice? That's perfect like that. And then our last ingredient, our cocoa powder. And just get all of that in there and sift it in. I'll just grab the back of a spoon and just push all of that in. That's good. Then I'll grab my mixer. And now I'm just going to start slowly mixing all of this in, just until the cocoa powder has been incorporated, and then I'm going to increase my mixer and start really whipping this. So I've been mixing here for a good 45 seconds or so. I just wanted to make sure that everything was mixed in, and I also cleaned up my little work area here because some of the cocoa powder did come out. So that's good. So at this point now, I'm going to start increasing my mixer. I want to get my mixer on high. I'm going to whip this for about 2 minutes. So that was probably not even 2 minutes, maybe a good minute and a half. And I just want to show you, you can see how thick this is right now. And it's not going to get much thicker than this. So at that point, it's perfect. So now we can get this quickly into our little baking tin. So any type of baking tin that you have, use it. Doesn't matter if it's glass or metal. Just something that you can scoop out of, and then just get all of your mixture right in there. This smells amazing. And if you love chocolate ice cream, you are going to love this. And no ice cream maker required. It smells amazing. That's good. I'll just turn this so you can see this a little better. And then I just want to get in here. Try not to deflate the mixture, so right in and just get it in here. Don't really go right down to the bottom. You don't want to start breaking up any of the air bubbles inside that mixture. So just get it around like that. And then we'll just cover this with some plastic wrap. I just had to take a little sample off of my spatula. It is amazing. You could eat it just like this. Now I'm just going to get that plastic wrap right on there. And now I'm going to pop this into my freezer. And you can go anywhere from 6 to 8 hours. You can leave it there overnight. It really doesn't matter. So I'll let this go whenever I'm ready to come back and film, once it's all firmed up. And then we'll continue into my freezer for a good 6 hours at least. So here we are again. My chocolate ice cream has completely firmed up. And we'll just remove that plastic wrap. And then we'll just grab an ice cream scoop, and I'm going to start going right into this. And look at this. Whoa. Look at that. Hopefully the camera's picking up how nice this is. Oh. Just get myself a nice scoop here. And then we'll get that right into a bowl. Look at that. Let's zoom in. So here we are again. I've just zoomed in. Hopefully you can see how nice this ice cream is. And of course I'm gonna go in for a little bit here. You can see it. Oh, let me get a good little bite here. Can you see that? Oh wow. This is beyond amazing. That's all I can say. I hope you try this out at home. If you love chocolate ice cream, you're going to love this. Super, super creamy, and that chocolate is amazing. Just gonna go in there for another bite. This is so good. That is super, super yummy. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. If you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time. This is really amazing. That is awesome. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.